Once upon a time, in a cozy little town in sunny Jamaica, there was a charming sweet shop called Yummy Buns. Owned by a cheerful man named Mr. Benny, the shop was famous for its delightful treats. Every morning, Mr. Benny would wake up early, eager to bake his signature sweet buns, which were soft, warm, and filled with gooey caramel or fruity jam. His special donuts, topped with colorful sprinkles, always brought smiles to children and adults alike. In the back of the shop, he would craft layers of luscious cakes, chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry, each one more tempting than the last. His secret recipe for homemade lollipops, with swirls of bright colors, was a hit among the little visitors. The air was always filled with the sweet aroma of butter, sugar, and vanilla, making everyone passing by crave a treat. People from all over town loved to visit Yummy Buns. They would line up eagerly, knowing that Mr. Benny's warm smile and delicious sweets would brighten their day. Kids would choose their favorite lollipop, while parents picked up a box of fresh buns for breakfast. Mr. Benny was happy to see everyone happy, sharing stories as he handed out his sweets. Yummy Buns became more than just a shop. It was a place where happiness was baked into every treat. Thanks to Mr. Benny's passion and kindness, the town's sweet tooth was always satisfied, and his shop remained a well-loved treasure for years to come.